There's no problem. Okay, Anda, open the door. That's going. I'm coming now. I know. Okay, I'm coming now. I've been giving you people cola before, but today no cola. I say I'm coming now. I say I'm coming now. Oh,
God have mercy.
Nobody be good, yeah. Yana madre is you. Nigeria, boga. Who is this? Who is this? Who is this?
It's me, Chokonpo.
You check.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
There is no problem.
No problem.
Okay, Anda, open the door. The highly welcome. The highly welcome.
How is family?
Good morning.
How you doing?
You're highly welcome.
Yeah.
Highly welcome.
How is everybody?
Fine, though.
Hey.
I hope there's no problem.
No. There's no problem.
Too much.
I never expected any visit from you people.
Some things are like that.
When they carry you come now?
It's just that you got someone else meeting. So we just passing by, say when you come greet you. So that
I know now. I know.
yes.
So that's why you come. So let us go together.
Yeah.
Which day that one start now? If you won't go meeting for you, come carry me.
It doesn't mean when
everything
starting.
We start everything. You know now.
No problem now. I have heard you. The only thing is we start going. I will come.
Jesus,
no, we started to come with you. Yes.
But no, I can't carry me now. You can't carry me and go meeting
but
now.
No. We both of us are going before.
Oga, I say start going. I'm coming.
Are you pursuing us?
Okay, Matt. At least find us something.
I know we come now.
Yes.
I know what they carry you people come.
Okay.
You want me? I give you cola. Cola no day today.
Yes.
Cola no day today.
I'm sure bitter.
Yes.
I know. Which one is this one now?
We not saw that you give us anything.
Yo, you never hear what they talk. Say nothing day today. Start going. I'm coming now.
That's the will.
I know.
But
Start going. I'm coming.
When this one start?
I'm coming.
Then
I'm coming.
What are you going to tell you?
That I'm coming.
Ah.
That I'm coming.
No,
I know.
which time are you coming?
Do I know my I'm coming right now. Okay, I'm coming now. I have been giving you people cola before, but today no cola. I say I'm coming now. I say I'm coming now. Come. Come carry cola now. If you want to go meeting for your best place, you go. You waka pass. Come pass for my house. You won't know whether I go meeting for you. Now this is small food where Nigeria don't buy now. Where won't come eat. You don't know how much we be cup of rice. Cup of rice now na 300 naira. Now you won't come and shop my food. Say you won't go meeting for you. Go there, they come. And the two I can share about it. Bambo they follow me. They follow them. You they follow me. Now share. I now comment. May God bless you.